Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add chapters to YouTube videos. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube, and you simply need to go into your channel YouTube Studio, and here you need to select any of your video. Okay, and then you need to click on 00, two dots, 00 again, and let's go start, and you can add intro. So this is the process. As you can see, I'm manually adding chapters to my YouTube video. So here you can see that. So this is the process by which you can add chapters to your YouTube videos. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.